We are at 1824 Dawn Ridge Avenue in Henderson. This property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story house for $465,000.
This home has vaulted ceilings, and you have to check out the primary bathroom that's renovated and has dual showers.
Not only does it have 3 bedrooms, but it has a den that you can convert into an office or even another bedroom. So I can't wait to show you guys. Let's jump right in. We are at 1824 Dawn Ridge Avenue. We are in Henderson, Nevada. This property is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has a 2-car garage, and it's 1,700 square feet. We do have RV parking over here. Look how pretty those gates are. So you can put an RV back there, some Sea-Doos, any of your fun toys back there. It has a big palm tree out in front, and it does have some stones out here walking into the house. This is a great area. It's pretty quiet right now, and Henderson is pretty quiet in here. It's a Green Valley area. We're gonna go right inside. I hope you enjoyed that property. I love the backyard. It's already landscaped for you. And it also has a covered patio, which you can enjoy either day or night with a cup of coffee or a glass of wine.
This home is located in such a quiet community with a small HOA of $17. It's right off of the 215 freeway near grocery stores, restaurants, and Henderson Hospital. This home also qualifies for down payment assistance, so make sure that you connect with us for more information on that.
Yes, so if you do utilize the down payment assistance, we can also use seller's concessions with that. We can do the programs and mix and match for you, so that way you can get into the home of your dreams. So we're gonna do a recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has a 2-car garage and a den. So I hope you enjoyed this. Our information's right here if you want to know more about this property or anything else. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.